Hi, I'm Bradley Bush from Inner Drive. In this video, I want to share some research on why evidence-informed professional development matters, and then give you some practical ideas for how to make the most of your next professional development day using the Teacher CPD Academy. Researchers have explored how to help teachers get better. They have found that on average, the rate of improvement is huge in the first few years, before it slows down and then eventually plateaus. What is really interesting is that the rate of improvement significantly depends on the type of environment that teachers are in. If schools have a strong professional environment that really value professional development and improvement, then teachers get much better quicker compared to environments that don't. The difference between the two after 10 years is a huge 39%. So what does good professional development actually look like? Before teachers look at what to do and how to do it, they have to begin with the why. Without knowing the why, the what feels like a trick, and the how feels like a checklist. The why can be found in the research. By understanding the research behind key teaching strategies, teachers are better placed to make evidence-informed decisions. And research suggests that seeing footage from real classrooms as a model can really help accelerate this improvement. The evidence is clear. High-quality, evidence-informed professional development makes a real difference. The question is, how do you actually make that happen in your school? That's where the Teacher CPD Academy comes in. The Teacher CPD Academy is a comprehensive professional development service, a rich library of resources combined with access to experts who can help you get the very best from your teachers. If you're a teacher looking to develop your practice, a great place to start is one of the courses on the site. Or, if you want something a little more flexible, use the link below to explore one of our smorgasbords, a curated collection of resources you can dip in and out of at your own pace. A genuinely enjoyable way to spend a professional development day. And if you're a professional development lead, the links below will take you straight to the Senior Leadership Teams Hub and some of our most popular topic areas. There, you'll find resources that can save you a significant amount of time when it comes to planning your next professional development day. These include asynchronous courses and resources you can share directly with your staff, ready-to-use presentations you can deliver straight out of the box, and expert videos and insights you can drop into your own sessions. And remember, the Teacher CPD Academy isn't just a platform, it's a service. We're here to help. So if you'd like to book a session with one of our experts, please do get in touch using the link below. They'd love to work with you and help you get the most out of what really is a fantastic set of resources, designed to make your life easier and your professional development sessions more effective.